Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can remove watermark from PDF. I have this PDF here, and if I open this, as you can see, there is this text that says watermark or something here, which cannot even be selected. So let's see how we can remove this very easily. First, go to this URL. I'll have the link in the description below and click on choose files. Select this file, and what we will do is we will convert this PDF to Word so that our file becomes editable, and we'll remove it. Now let this be selected. No need to do this. Click on convert, and once the conversion is done, just click on download, and now we have downloaded our converted file. So if I go back to my downloads, as you can see, I have this file here. Now I don't have Microsoft Word installed, so I'll have to upload it to Drive to edit it. So I'll just do that. So once you have uploaded it to Drive, or you have opened it in Microsoft Word, as you can click on this, and as you can see, this is now editable. You can move this, and you can just press delete to remove this. And now you can just save this again as PDF. If you're on Word, just save as PDF. If you're on Drive, just click on download and do PDF document. And once this is downloaded, open this again, and this time, as you can see, there is no watermark. So this is how you can remove watermark from PDF for free easily. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.